2025 Ford F-150. We got the key fob that has the key like this. We're gonna go ahead and open it to replace the battery. So once you open it up, if you look into the slot right here where the door key hides, there's a little bitty slot right in the middle. Hopefully you can see that. Get a small flathead screwdriver, put it in here. Just give this thing a little bit of a push like that. Okay, just put it in here and then push it right up. I'll take this cover right off. You can see the battery right here, and then we can just pop the battery out. This is a very simple one. Now the battery size is CR2032. It's written on the battery right here. There's a positive sign here. Faces it out towards us when we put the new one in. Now, if you want to get a new Panasonic battery, I am going to have a link down in the description box and in the comment box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get new Panasonic batteries just like this one for $5 for two. That's about how much they go for normally. So go ahead and click on that and get you the right size and everything, get you set up. You just get the cover, snap it on. Okay, make sure it's snapped on all the way. And you're done. Well, if this video helped you out, I could really appreciate some subscribers, some comments, and some thumbs ups.